education criteria.
Hadin ka Byrngem da ka kunhun ka bana Assam ka Kutumba Suraksha Parishad lani ka KSP ban pinthut ya ka let kawan hapadeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya lada amla ban wengno ya ka Jingkhang ban le Niam da ki riunget Hindu ha ka kram ka badon hamau sanram hapo kishposngi umentri ka tanat puli puthi Rakkam sangma ulaong baki briu ki dei ban mani hala ki jong ki yeng ki sem bat ban duai hamau sanram kanumwan ra ya ka Jingkala ula penrem jur ya ka Byrngem da ka kunhun ulaong baka kamlong kabadai ya ka kunhun Niam bakin Byrngem na marbaro kijat Niam kidon na ka Bynta ka Shongsuk bajing yateli.
Any religion is for the peace. We worship God for peace and harmony for the individual, for the family, and for the community, right? So I think as a religious group treating like this does not sound good. That's not a good message, and they are not to be a real, a religious group to be friendly. So with this particular issue is concerned, so yes, there's a local issue. There may be a local sentiment. They should respect it. So worshipping doesn't mean only in Mosin Ram they will get blessing. No. We want to worship God. Worship at your home. Worship at your nearby. You have a great mandils in Assam, in your nearby home. So worshipping their God in Mosin Ram doesn't make you and him difference, right? God is omnipresent.
Ka Office u Deputy Commissioner Riboy District ha ka